Hello students, my name is Shesi George, your professional accounting teacher. Before you continue with this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Georgian Theory Concepts. Thank you. All right, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to analyze the data, having collected them with questionnaires, okay? How do you analyze this data? In a spreadsheet. In a spreadsheet, okay? How do you analyze the data? Now, here I have 20 questionnaires from the sample I collected, just 20, okay? I'm using just 20. Now, how do I analyze this data? How do I numericalize the information here, okay? I want to numericalize it in a spreadsheet. So this video will be useful for those of you that want to write projects. You have collected your data by this questionnaire. The topic of the study is performance management practice and financial accountability in Nigerian public institutions. Okay, this questionnaire has 4 sections. Okay, section A, section B, section C, and section D. All right. Okay. Now I will pick the first questionnaire. I can write number 1 here. Then I will start from the spreadsheet. I want to transfer the information in the questionnaire. I want to numericalize it into the spreadsheet. So I'm transferring. Okay. Now I'm going to start with S/N. That is serial number. I have 20 of this with me. Okay. So I'm going to number from 1 to 20 in this manner. So I've numbered 1 to 20, as you can see. Then I'll pick this. I'll start with section A. Talks about gender, okay, or sex. So you can write gender or sex. So I prefer to write G. So you can represent that with G. Okay. Now, if you look at this gender, we have male and female. So the respondent is a female, of course. So this one will be 1 and this one will be 2. Okay. So you just convert this numericalized. That is 2. Okay. Then you go to the next one, you have age. So you can represent the right age. Now, the ages are in categories. So we have the first category, the second category, the third category, and the fourth category. And the respondents ticked the third category. So under the age, you write 3. Do you understand me? All right. Okay. So the next one is highest educational qualification. So you can just write edu. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 categories. Okay. So the respondents ticked 3. That one will be 3. Then we have work experience is in category also. The respondents ticked 9. That's how you go. So this one is experience. That is 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. All right. Then the next one is level and position. Okay. So we have a position. You can put position, and that one is in 3 categories: 1, 2, 3. So this one, right, 3. Okay. Now you go to section B. You can represent this to be X1. Section B, X1. All right. So I'm going to represent this with my x1, which is one of the dependent variables. So x1. And down talks about performance practices. So x1. So for the x1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are going to have 5x1, x1, 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 x1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the x1, we have the first x, the respondents tick 5. Performance targets are clearly defined in my organization. So all this must be in line with the topic, okay? So if performance targets are clearly defined, it will bring about effective performance within the organization, okay? And the respondents take 5. So 5 symbolizes that strongly agree, okay? That is 5. So you must have done this here for the respondents to take his own opinion about his organization. So let's bring 5 here as X under X1. Then the next one, it ticked 4, okay? Employees regularly receive feedback and performance. So this is 4. The respondents' performance appraisal are conducted objectively and fairly. The respondents tick 4. Underperformance is addressed through corrective measures. The respondents tick 4 also. So that is okay. There is a link between individual performance and organization. Now go. The respondent tick 5. So this one is 5 and this one is 4. All right. Okay, class. Then you go to the next section quickly. That's how you continue with others. So we can represent this to be x2. So since we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one can be x2, 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 x2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can represent now the respondents. My organization maintain transparent financial records. That is 5. There are systems in place to detect and prevent financial mismanagement. So, and that is 3. Budget performance is monitored and reported regularly. It ticked 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write 4. Financial reports are prepared and submitted in a timely manner. That is 5. Internal audits are conducted regularly to ensure accountability. And that is 4. So the next section is section D. So we can represent this to be X3, X3, X3. That's the third invariable, X3. Okay. So improved staff performance contributes to better financial accountability. So that is 3. Performance management practice enhance financial transparency. That is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. You write 4. The next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, class. Right. 4. And the next one is, of course, 5. So you write 5. Then you have your Y, which is the dependent variable. Dependent variable. So this Y, you now had all this figure here. All the figure here will now be added. Okay. That is how we form equation that says Y equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on to xn. Okay. So what is the equals to? So you add all this. They are the component of this. So let us add all this to get the value of y. All right. So let's do that now. So you can pick up your calculator, add all this, it will give you the value of y. That is 8. Okay. Then you pick the second, one. You repeat the same thing. All right. You pick the second one. That is number 2 questionnaire. So like this one now, gender. So you write 1. For age, that is in the third category, 1, 2, 3. So this one is 3. So you continue that process until you have a full sheet. Okay, so I'm going to use it to continue the process, and it will give you something like this. All right, so after filling all, you are going to have a data like this. Okay, you can snapshot the video when you compare with your solution. Then I want you to add this figure. That's the assignment for you. You add all these figures to confirm the additions. Okay, so please try to watch the video again. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me on the comments. Thank you.